This is additional information for the existing invitation at Waldorf Astoria, Beverly Hills, March 14th, 5:30 p.m., F.A.I.R Transformational Technique Seminar. And as I promised, I said during the seminar, I will do a couple of sessions of other modalities, of other techniques that you can take home that night and apply them right away to your friends and family. For example, one of those techniques will be technique how to remove physical pain whose cause is psychosomatic. During the seminar, I will show you step by step how to do it. And then you or anybody else from the audience with the pain, I will showcase how it's done. But I'm not going to be able to do the whole audience. So what we're going to do is that after 8 p.m., after the seminar is finished, then we're going to stay longer. We're going to prolong our stay there, maybe half an hour, 45 minutes, so that you, if you were not the person that I actually showcased the example, then that you personally can experience it yourself. Because technique is not necessarily just for the pain. There are going to be other techniques for changing your emotional state, techniques for, it's one fun technique that will actually, I will explain in my next video. It's a technique literally that makes you aware that every time you talk to anybody else, you literally are referring, whatever you're saying comes out from your mouth is basically literally referring to yourself and your deepest core, that requires the healing. The reason why we're doing that, we're going to stay for more exercises, to practice more exercises and tools, is that you really do not want to miss those miracles, because you're going to see the miracles in other people and you're going to experience it firsthand for yourself. Because through my practice in Europe, it has proven that it's better that everybody experience it. Because if I showcase somebody, you might think, oh, whatever, I picked up whoever from the audience. But if I pick up you, then you'll know that it's not a setup. But if you stay longer and actually you try that technique yourself and you witness that it actually works and you witness that miracle within yourself, then it's no longer about convincing or trying to prove, because this is not informational or motivational seminar. This is hands-on practical learning thing where you come in, bring pen and paper, by the way. You come in, you write down, you learn the techniques, and you can apply them right away. The same night you go home, you can apply them to your friends and family.